welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy. I make planner videos, organization, book, and lifestyle videos. Today I'm here to talk about my new planning system and I'm so excited. In my last plan with me last week, I mentioned that I was thinking about moving to my A5 Discbound and I did it. So I have moved to an A5 Discbound planner, but not the one that I mentioned in that video. In the video, I showed this planner, which was my black ARC notebook, and I think this comes from Staples. And yeah, so it's just a black notebook. I have pretty big discs on it. These are the discs that came with it, but I've also used gold discs for it, and I like that too. But this just felt really dark to me and not summertime at all. It was not a vibe. So the planner or a notebook. So the planner or notebook that I actually got is this one, which is a Martha Stewart Discbound planner. And you guys, I really think Martha Stewart, her brand does these planners so well. Like, I saw this and fell in love. I love the pink, like the shade of pink. It matches like everything in my office so well, for one. And it's just really pretty for summertime. This also comes in a full letter size, so this is the half letter Discbound. It also comes in the full letter size, and I want that notebook, but they didn't have it in stock when I went to look last week, so I felt like it was just meant for me. You guys know me, I'm so big on like the things that are meant for me gravitating towards me and just being for me. So this one was there, and I actually got like a bit of a discount on it, and it just felt right, you know? So I picked this one up and I love her. She's not done being set up yet, but I will show you what I have in here so far. I've set up a few things. I'm probably gonna order some things and film a planner, like a summer planner haul soon. So if you're interested in that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you will know, turn on your post notifications so you'll know when the stuff comes in, so we can do a little haul, you guys. But so far I'm really loving it. I left the smaller disc on because I really like the way the notebook looks open with the smaller disc. And my plan for this is to kind of break my life up into quarters, which my life kind of happens in quarters currently anyway. But I want to put everything in here that I need for a 3 to 6 month period, and as I work through those time periods, through the 3 months or the 6 months, then I can move the information into its own separate notebook. So I'll probably get a few of these, probably not the hardcover because these are a little more expensive, but the actual polycover notebooks are, I think, like $10 maybe, and just have my life separated and organized that way. So like have my personal stuff, my work stuff, my business stuff, everything just in its own separate book, and just have them on my bookshelf like together. And I think that will be the best thing for me right now. Usually in the summertime, I'm trying to move down to a smaller size planner, but because the world is still kind of closed and I'm definitely not going anywhere right now, it felt right. It felt right to go ahead and try out this half letter size again, and I'm loving it. I'm really loving all the space, and since I decided not to switch the disc, it just makes it that much more portable. It also comes with this little strap, so you can technically like hold it together so you don't have to worry about it coming open in your bag. But my dividers that I added are kind of tall, so I am not using the strap. If I get rid of these dividers or decide to cut them down, then I'll probably use the strap. But for now, it's fine. I mean, I don't really leave the house too often. I really only take my planner out the house once a week or twice a week. So not that big of a deal, but it feels pretty lightweight. I'm really enjoying it so far. It's only been a week, but I'm enjoying it. And I'm going to show you like what's in here right now, but once I get the rest of my stuff, I'll do an updated flip through and a planner haul and all of that stuff. So if you're interested in seeing what I have in here so far, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so this is the planner, and you open it up and it's just a plastic little folder here, that came with it, and you can fit a full half-letter sheet in here. After that, I have this little iridescent paper, and I think it's so pretty. All of the papers in here I got from Michael's, and I wish it was front and back. It's coated on the back, but it's not the iridescent color. After that, I have some to-do like inbox sheets, but they're actually just to-do sheets. I don't think it'll focus because it hates me, but they're just little to-do sheets, and it's from the Arc brand, which is at Staples. I have one for my job, I have one for my other job, and I have one for my business. And then we just go into the actual, let me try to focus. Then we just go into the actual inserts from the brand. This just says this planner belongs to, which I probably won't use these. I was thinking about taking all of these pages out all the way up to this part, which is the 4-year overview. And then there is different clothing sizes, conversions. I love this part in here. It has important dates, but it also has like birthstones and zodiac signs, which is perfect for me because I love astrology. After that, I just have this pineapple paper, which also from Michael's, and it's like foiled and different like colors, and I thought it went really well with like this front paper right here. And in this section, I just have a month on one page calendar, and with this style planner, and the pages are kind of hard to turn because of the plastic disc. With the aluminum disc, you don't really have the turn issue, but this was like this month, and that is actually this was last month. I just threw some washi on it, and this is May, which I haven't filled out yet. And after this section, I have this little ruler that I got from Staples, and then elephant dividers. Here, this turns to my weeks, and I love this on one page type of thing with a Discbound planner, because one of the benefits of having a Discbound planner is that you can just turn it over on itself and use it like that. So when everything is in one place on one page, it just makes it really easy to make that happen. After that, I have another pineapple divider. Behind this divider, I just have work stuff, work notes that I need to input and things like that. So I am not going to go through that. And then I have another elephant divider. Behind the elephant divider, I just have home notes. So like right now, I'm looking for schools for my son. So it's like a bunch of notes from different school meetings that I've gone to and how to apply and stuff. And then it's just more blank paper, which is the paper that actually comes with the notebook. In the back is just an elasticized pin loop. It says Martha Stewart down here. I love that she puts her logo like in the back on the bottom. I hate logos, you guys. And so I love when it's like real minimal. And then there is that strap that we were talking about earlier, and you can just bring that around. And that is the planner. So that's the planner, you guys. I'm gonna do like a final flip through and a summer planner haul and all that soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.